Greetings fellow professors. Today we are going to demonstrate and explain how our tool Let'sPhish can do and is built upon. Let's begin. So what is Let'sPhish? Well, Let'sPhish is a tool designed for security professionals and ethical hackers to test the susceptibility of the target organization to phishing attacks. It does so by mimicking the email structure and content of any target organization during phishing or red team exercises. It streamlines reconnaissance effort to generate well-written emails with no grammatical error, ultimately enhancing the effectiveness of phishing campaigns while minimizing research time. By increasing the believability of phishing emails, Let'sPhish makes it more challenging to detect phishing activities. Our tool is ideal for use in supervised phishing campaigns and exercises. So how does it work? To explain it in simple terms, firstly, it uses web scraping techniques to extract text and images from target websites. After that, it analyzes the extracted text to identify high-frequency words that can be used for phishing attacks. It then generates phishing email using OpenAPI's GPT-3. Lastly, upon user's request, the tool is able to display the results on Outlook. Let'sPhish main language is Python. With the help of Selenium and Beautiful Soup, the tool has the ability to automatically scrape and extract out the desired contents from the URLs provided. The content extracted is then fed directly into OpenAPI's GPT-3, which is used to generate the phishing emails. Now we'll discuss a little about what is happening in the backend when the tool is being used. Firstly, we'll introduce the tool we use to obtain all the URLs from our web scraper. ForeXBuster is a directory and content discovery tool, and it has a powerful recursive directory fuzzing ability designed to help with finding hidden directories and files on a target website. It supports both word list based and automated recursive scanning, and identifies the valid URL using the 200OK response. ForeXBuster was selected as it is a command line tool. As such, it is easily integrated into the scripts and automated processes. So how do we use this tool? The user can simply enter the command as shown below with their targeted website. After ForeXBuster has obtained all the possible directories, our tool will extract text and images from the URLs provided by ForeXBuster, and this is made possible by using Beautiful Soup and Selenium. The tool first loads the target website using Selenium, which simulates the behavior of a real user. Once the website is loaded, Beautiful Soup is used to extract the text from all the p and div text on the page. The tool also takes this opportunity to extract all the images based on the image text. The images are then saved in a directory named after the domain name of the target website. By extracting text and images from the target website, our tool provides users with more data that can be used to craft convincing phishing attacks. Once the tool has extracted the text from the web pages, it analyzes the text to identify high-frequency words. This analysis is done using the Natural Language Toolkit library in Python. The extracted text is filtered to remove stop words such as the, and of using the NLTK library. This helps the tool to identify the most important words in the text. The top 200 most commonly used words are then written as a high-frequency words, which will be then fed into GPT-3 for email crafting. Next, the reason as to why we use GPT-3 is due to the fact that GPT-3 is a powerful language generation model that has the ability to generate coherent and natural-sounding text. As mentioned earlier, the high-frequency words are extracted and fed into GPT-3. The AI will then craft the phishing email based on the input. Below, you can observe an example of the phishing email generated by GPT-3. When the user interacts with the button Open Outlook, the mail script extracts out the result generated by GPT-3 and uses the Win32 client library to interact with the Outlook application to create a phishing email. The tool will then filter and select a suitable image as an attachment to the email. The email body is then inserted into the HTML table and displayed using the HTML body property. Here, we will have a brief description about the front end. The GUI of this application is built using the Tinctor library in Python, and its design's key focus is on its simplicity and ease of use so as to ensure we are able to cater to a large group of target audiences. The interface is divided into three main sections: input, output, and control, which is made intuitively such that users are able to navigate smoothly without much guidance. And now for the moment you are waiting for, the demonstration of the tool. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy. Upon starting up the application, the users will be greeted with a single button stating "Let's go" and a text box for the users to input their desired URL to craft a malicious email. For this example, we'll be using DigitalOcean. After clicking "Let's go," the user will observe the following screen, which means that the tool is scraping and crafting the email. Do give it some time as different websites have different duration depending on how much content there is. Upon completion of the process, the user will observe the following screen with four options: Open Outlook, Reload Response, Back, and View Image. The user will also notice a preview of the crafted mail which is present. If the user is not satisfied with the mail content, the user can simply click on Reload Response, which would generate a new response as shown. By clicking View Image, the tool will open up the folder which all the images have been stored, and the users can then decide if he or she would like to replace the images in the email. By clicking Open Outlook, the following will be observed, which the user can then edit the email to his or her satisfaction before sending it out to the victim. By interacting with the back button, you will simply bring the user back to the main page. This tool requires the user to enter a URL which contains HTTP or HTTPS, and failure to do so will result in the error message as shown. If there are any issues with the extraction process, or simply because the website has blocked the access of the tool, the user will be presented with the following error message. In conclusion, by analyzing the extracted text, the tool helps security professionals and ethical hackers to better understand the language used by the target organization. This can be used to craft more effective phishing emails, which can be used to train and educate the target audiences on its potency, and thus improving overall security awareness. Thank you.